Hi everyone, I welcome you to this video. It's gonna be a short time video. Let's just take it step by step to simply define what forex trading is all about. For those of us who may wonder, they want to understand how forex works. Forex trading is simple. It is a global market that allows the exchange of one currency for another. This is from the definition of baby pips. Then it is not something that is very complex to understand. It's all about trading one currency versus another. That is forex. Anyone can trade forex. If you have ever traveled to another country, you usually had to find a currency exchange booth at the airport. Anytime you travel abroad to another country, at the end of at the airport, you usually find a currency exchange booth. You must see where you can exchange your currency and to have the currency of the country that you are just visiting. So when you have done that, you have traded forex. When you exchange one currency to another, you have traded forex. But that form of exchange is called spot exchange. Everyone trade forex. Now, let me proceed as we find the second definition of forex for us to understand very well. Then the foreign exchange market, which is known as forex, is called foreign exchange market, or probably FX in abbreviation, is the largest financial market in the world because everyone need money, everyone use money, everyone trade with money, everyone need money. So that makes it the biggest market so far in the world. Then you can compare it to the measly 22.4 billion trading volume of New York Stock Exchange. This is a day trading volume of New York Stock Exchange. Then the forex market look absolutely glamorous with its $5.5 trillion trading volume per day. So in forex market, you could see that in trading forex market has about $5 trillion a day trading volume, while New York Stock Exchange has about $22.4 billion trading volume. Why? Everyone need forex. Everyone do forex. Everyone need money. Everyone wants money. But not everyone may want to buy all the company stocks, but everyone wants to have money. So when you exchange currency against another one, you have traded forex. This is the volume of trades that goes on in forex market globally in a day. Now let's proceed. Then you can see from the diagram I got you could see from the diagram that the average day trading volume in different market floors, you could see that forex market has about $5.03 trillion trading volume. Its second trading volume is New York Stock Exchange, which has about $22.4 billion trading volume. The third one is Tokyo Stock Exchange, which has about $18.9 billion trading volume per day. And the London Stock Exchange, which has about $7.2 billion trading volume. Why is the forex market so big? It's because everyone trade on forex. You can trade on forex, I can trade on forex, bank can trade, everyone can trade. But in the New York, in the stock exchange, it's not everyone can trade. Yes, it's a market, it's a business that is specifically designed for some certain people who are authorized to trade. But in forex market, you just have to have your phone connected to internet and have your account with your broker and be able to trade at comfort of your home. So that makes it big. So there are a lot of players who trade in the market. The currency market is over 200 times bigger. It is huge. It is 200 times bigger compared to other markets. Now, the huge $5.5 trillion covers entire global market exchange. But the trading volume from retail traders, that is us, that is me and you, we are everybody who trade from everywhere, could be called retail traders. We make about 5 to 6% of overall volume, which is between 300 to $400 billion daily. This is the volume of me and you, what everyone trade, retail traders can trade daily in forex market. So it is a market where you can make thousands of dollars, millions of dollars as you wish based on capital control and your risk measure as well. Then Someone may ask me, how profitable is Forex market? Is Forex market profitable? Let's answer the question from the next slide. You could see from the table here, you could see this analysis from the table that in Forex market, you can have 1% risk, 2% risk, 0.5% risk, 10% risk, 20%, 100%, 200%, as you want based on the strategy that you are trading with. Then you could, assuming you have a 30 or 50% trading target every week, and you have a contract of $500, you have an estimation profit of $750, which is 50% of your money. Let's say, assume you have a 50% target per week. So if you're making an estimation of $750 in a week of your trade, and if you continue with that trade pattern and the trading target, you have average of $3,000 in a week, and in a year you should have an estimation result of $4,000. Then you have the same thing comes to the second table here, where you may have about $2,500 to $3,700 in a week. That's your weekly result, and $10,000 to $15,000 in a monthly result, and about $120,000 to $180,000. The same when you have about $500,000 account, to you can be able to push $5,000 account, sorry, and to at least $7,500 in a week, assuming you have 50% target of all your trade in a week. So you can target low too. When you have 10% target of all your trade, at least you may be able to push $5,000 account to at least $5,500 account, making $500 of your money every week. You may choose to have 20% target in a week. You may choose to have a 30% target in a week. As a matter of fact, many traders target daily. Some target 10% every day. Some target 5% every day. Some target 1% every day. So if you have 10% target in Forex market every day, so in a week, you're gonna have 50% target. So if you have a 1% target in Forex market every day, that's 1% target profit every day. In a week, you're gonna have about 5% target in a week. Then assuming you have a 20% target every day, you have 20% target, you're gonna have about 100% target in a week. All this can be achieved based on trading pattern, trading strategies, and risk measure, the way you wanna trade, the way you wanna manage your investment. Now let's proceed. Someone may ask, is trading risk? Forex trading is you risk? I can say yes. There is risk in Forex trading. It has a risk of losing, and you can make profit, you can make losses when you're trading Forex. So it is not a risk-free business. It's not a risky business at all. So you just have to understand some things. It's not a risk-free. Then one of the advantage of joining for CCI trader is that we can give you accurate signals that can help you manage your risk and maximize your profit. But before then, let me just analyze this chart with you before we go into technical and some fundamental analysis as we progress. Then you can see from the chart here how the Forex chart look like. This is a New Zealand card Forex chart. You can see how the market moves up and down. You see that there are two different types of candlestick. The candlestick that has a green color is a candlestick that is pushing the market up. It's a sign that the market is actually going up. And the candlestick that has a red chart here is a sign that of bearish trend where the market is coming down. So the same thing you can see from here, from this candlestick now, that the candlestick that has a green color is a candlestick that shows that the price of the market, the price of the currency where you're trading is actually going up. And the one that has a green red candlestick here is a sign that the market is actually coming down. Yes, so now when the market is going up, it's a good time to buy. Buyers make profit when the market is going up. And then when it has gone up to a certain point, then you may choose to sell. When you make a sell at a higher price, you make profit. Then when you buy at a lower price, you make profit. When you sell at a higher price and the price dropped, then you make profit. Then you can as well get, as I said earlier, get signals that can help you trade when you join CCI traders. And we have different traders group all over the world, Europe, Asia, Middle East, Africa. You can connect to any of our trader group and be able to maximize your profit. Okay, let's proceed to other ones. So let me share with you. How you can get started and trade. Let me share with you. Assuming you want to have a Forex account, the best trading broker you can connect with and maximize your trading experience is CCI Traders. You go to the website www.ccitrader.com. It's open. There are different trading platforms you can use to maximize your trade. You come in here. We have phone trading platform. You have a laptop. You can trade anywhere, anytime. You have superior execution and very fast execution. It's very easy to use. It's simple, and there's a lot of transparency. You can enjoy transparency when you're trading with the platform. Then you can select from numerous instruments that you may wish to trade. You have professional tools that can help you analyze the market very well. Then these are different types of platform you can download. You will see 32-bit window platform. You see web trading platform. You see Android platform where you can use your phone or your app, your iPhone, or you go to Apple Store and get the iOS version of platform. When you have successfully created an account, which you go to live account and open a live account and connect, you're gonna get a platform that will look like this. Okay, this is my account. Let me log out. Let me just log out now. You will get a trading platform that look like this. Okay, I think I have it. A trading platform that look like this. This is how it will look. Then you put in your account number here. You put in your trading password, and you log in. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. The platform has just logged me in, so it's updating. It's taking some time to update. I think I'm just having a slow network here. I think I have some slow network here. Like a trading platform. I click on a web platform. The platform is loading now. Yeah, fantastic. It has opened now. Yes. This is live trading market. This is a real account. This is where you see a balance. I have a balance of 277, 332. This is my equity. This is my margin. Fortunately for me, I have a profit of 15,606 here that is making profit now. There you could see different charts you trade. This is a Euro USD market. This is Euro USD chart. This is the current price of Euro USD. So these are the candlesticks. As you can see, it detects the movement of the market. It has gone up, gone down. Now currently it is at this price at 1.0741. This is the current price of Euro USD at the moment. You could see USD card. You see that USD card. This is the current USD card market, and it's trading at 1.41. 453. This is the current price of the price. This is oil. For those of you who trade commodities, you see that oil price is at $32.84 per barrel. You can see the price of gold. The gold is at 161806. This is the current price of gold. You can also see here, you go here, you see different other currency pairs you can add to your chart. You see commodities, you see different commodities you can add to your chart. And you see indices you can add also to your chart. Assuming you want to you want to trade on Euro USD. This is Euro USD chart. You can come in here, select Euro USD. Select Euro USD. You put the trading volume. I can put my trading volume 1.00 trading volume. I set my stop loss. I can set my stop loss at I want to buy Euro USD at this price. I can set my stop loss at 1.06184. I put my stop loss 1.06184. Then I put my take profit at 1.10017. I put my take profit at 1.10017. Fantastic. Then I come in here, I place a buy. You see, it has executed buy order. I place a buy. This is how to trade. It's as simple as that. It's a one click away. This is here. Now you can see that I place the trade here. This is my trade. This is my trade. I place a buy on Euro USD, and I'm getting $2 here. $2 from the price. Then if you click here, you'll be able to see all my trading, all my positions, the position I have now. This is the position I just placed now. I'm getting $4. It has gone to $6. I have a buy of 3.5 volume on oil. This is oil, WTI oil. I'm getting about $16,000 here. I have a sell order on JBP USD. It has not gained yet. It is still gonna gain. So if you are trading, if you have the negative sign here shows a sign of losses where you have not gained. The ones that are showing green here shows that it's a sign of profit. The one that you are making profit. The buy I just placed now, I'm getting $7 here. The other buy I had before with 2.0, I'm getting also here. So in the future time, I'm hoping to gain from Britain Pound USD as well as I'm getting on Euro USD. Then you can see my total profit. Total profit now is $15,900 something $1,000, which I have gained so far. Assuming I want to close my trade, close my position, I will click here, click on any of my profit here, and then my position will close. For example, I am getting here, I'm getting $1,484 profit. Assuming I want to close this profit now, I will click here. I say yes. It has closed. My order has closed. Then if I come back here, I go to my history, I will see the history here. Okay, I think the network has not been able to close yet. This is where you see the history of your positions, the things you have done so far. You can see that I gained some profit here, I gained oil here. I think this one didn't have not closed. Let me check very well. No, it has not closed. Let me close it again. Yes, it has closed now. It has closed now. Then you can see now that the order has closed now. Yes, as you can see from my history here, it has closed at $1,455 profit. So I have made the profit now. Total profit I've made so far from here is $10,000. From the history and the current market I'm trading now, I'm getting about $14,000. Then if I want to make a withdrawal from the account, I'll have to go to the website, click on my profile. After go to the website, click, go to ccitrader.com, click on my profile, log in. It's loading. Click on trading cabinet, click on my profile and log in, and I'll be able to make a withdrawal. Yes, that is all you may need to know. If you want to register with us, just go to the website, sign up a live account, and we'll get back to you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.